Alright guys, welcome back to the Skidhack build series. We've spent some time with the R33 over the last summer and fall, having a good time. Haven't really updated you guys on what all we've done with it. We've got a few events we're going to go over, get you guys some coverage from those events. Dumpy obviously had a good time as always, but I'm going to give you a glimpse of what it looks like now, but we got to show you how we got there. So take a look, quick look. We'll show you everything leading up to how it got to look like this. So boom, whoa, can't show you too much. We'll show you a little bit more though. All right, one more look at it and then we will show you guys how it got there. Sheesh. Okay, so let's go over some events. A few events we went to. We had a Naptown Nissan meet at our place. Had cars everywhere. Pretty sweet setup. Did some drifting. Did some drifting. Dumpy did a good old burnout, as you can see. Had a good time with it, but we took it to Elevate Concepts Auto Fest. That was a good time because we revealed the car that week for it. We did the half wrap at that point. It looked really sweet. Since then we've done some rollers, some video shoots.
Running so fast.
Yeah, we'll get into all that right now, so I won't have a whole lot of commentating as we go, but we'll just show you all the coverage it's been to in the last few months and how it got here, because it is beautiful. Love this thing. So let's get at it.
Smoked up. Look at the smoke rolling out.
Right here.
I can't even move it.
You have to pull up harder, and sometimes you have to push back. Yeah.
I'm I've never driven a car on this side.
You're gonna do great. All right, you ready? You can
Oh.
put it in drive.